Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. My name is Johnny. I'm so excited that you're here today. I started woodworking a couple years ago. It came out of just a need of furniture in my apartment, and I had no idea what I was doing, but I gave it a shot and I found out, hey, this is pretty fun and I'm decent at it, so why not give it a go? So woodworking for me is a passion. It's a release. It's a way for me to kind of escape my daily life, and it's something I really enjoy doing. However, it's not always easy to get started. Tools are expensive, woods are all sorts of crazy, different kinds of woods you're using, and I, for one, am still learning so much. But I started this channel in hopes that I could inspire some to get started that may be intimidated to start woodworking, and share some tips and tricks along the way that I've learned, and of course, maybe tips and tricks that you're learning at home that I have not known yet. So I want to be open in communication in all my videos, and I'm super excited to get started. So as you can tell, the shop that I'm using is actually a buddy's garage. It's kind of a mess right now because we're getting reorganized in order to kind of allow him to do what he's doing. He does a lot of fly fishing and allow me to also woodwork. So you're gonna see things change around and it's gonna be pretty cool. But for now, I'm really compact in my workspace area. So along this journey, I'm really excited to learn. I'm gonna make mistakes and I'm gonna grow. And that's what I want this channel to be about, is the experience and knowing that it's okay to make mistakes, and it's in those mistakes is where you learn. So super excited for you to be here. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe below. Until the next video, we'll see you later.